Looking for a versatile tool that's both practical and life-saving? Meet this incredible gadget that combines the utility of a Jedi sword with the magic of a wand. Equipped with 7 modules, it's designed to handle any situation. It has 4 compartments for storing essentials like pills and fishing line. Plus, it includes a hammer, flashlight, and compass. Crafted from durable, water-resistant aluminum, it can withstand being submerged in up to 1.5 meters of water for 30 minutes. Priced at $190, this tool also comes with extras like rope, a life preserver, duct tape, and more. It's the ultimate survival kit for any adventurer. Meet the Rinsekit Cube, your new go-to for outdoor adventures. Whether you're hiking, surfing, or relaxing by the pool, this compact device offers a portable shower solution that's easy to use. Just pump it up for instant water flow. Lightweight and compact, the Rinsekit Cube easily fits in your backpack or car. I bring mine on every camping trip, and it's a total game changer. It's also perfect for rinsing off after surfing, making cleanup a breeze. With the Rinsekit Cube, staying clean and refreshed outdoors is easier than ever. Introducing the Powerfill Lightsaber. Imagine a device that harnesses the sun's energy to power your gadgets. This flexible solar panel with a built-in battery does just that. It's like carrying a mini power plant in your pocket, capable of storing up to 3,200 mAh, which can almost fully charge an iPhone 14 with just 6 to 8 hours of sunlight. Built tough with thin film technology, it's durable enough to withstand a bullet shot. Despite its strength, it weighs only 140 grams, making it much lighter than traditional power banks. Plus, you can charge it via micro USB if needed. Priced at $220, it's an excellent investment for anyone looking for eco-friendly power on the go. Introducing Litho Hammocks, the perfect pick for outdoor lovers. These hammocks are designed for quick setup, durability, and exceptional comfort. With their innovative strap system and buckles, you can hang them anywhere in under 30 seconds. Easily adjust the tension and height to match your preferences. Made from top-quality materials, Litho hammocks are built to endure all weather conditions and environments. They're available in a range of colors and designs, including options like the American flag. Plus, you can upgrade your current hammock to a Litho hammock with their handy conversion kit. Whether you're camping or just relaxing in nature, Litho hammocks provide the ideal way to unwind and enjoy the great outdoors. Meet the Barra Chair, the perfect blend of convenience and comfort for your outdoor adventures. Whether you're lounging on the beach, picnicking, or camping, the Barra Chair doubles as both a gear-carrying wheelbarrow and a comfortable seat. Just flip it over, and you're ready to relax. Ideal for fishing, boating, sports events, concerts, and more, this versatile chair eliminates the need to haul a separate chair. It features a rugged wheel that tackles any terrain and supports up to 120. Introducing the Holmira Fire Tongs, a versatile 4-in-1 tool ideal for any campfire activity. Crafted by Mac Incorporated, a Japanese company renowned for its custom tools, this innovative product combines fire tongs, a blowpipe, a hook, and an ash hoe into one handmade tool using local materials. Measuring 54 centimeters and weighing 500 grams, it's both durable and easy to maneuver. At $87, the Holmira Fire Tongs are a smart investment for anyone seeking a practical and multifunctional addition to their camp kitchen. Whether you're moving pots, lifting lids, adjusting coals, or tending the fire, this tool is a must-have for any camper who values convenience and efficiency. This bottle purifies water with 99.9% accuracy, eliminating contaminants like lead, mercury, microplastics, viruses, and bacteria. Simply fill it up, press a button, and in 45 seconds, you'll have clean, safe water wherever you are. A single battery charge can purify up to 50 liters, and the filter lasts for about 150 liters. However, keep in mind that it only works with fresh water, and it's priced at $160. so you might want to start saving up if you're interested. Tired of lugging around heavy camping gear? Say hello to your new go-to tool, the Animaka Portable Mattock. This compact, lightweight multi-tool is a must-have for all your outdoor adventures. Whether you're setting up camp, clearing a trail, or need a reliable tool on the go, the Animaka Mattock is up for the task. Crafted from durable materials, it's designed to withstand the elements while being easy to pack and carry. Since I started using the Animaka Mattock, I've streamlined my gear and saved a ton of space in my pack. It's incredibly versatile, perfect for everything from chopping wood to hammering in tent stakes. Meet the Suncase Gear Solar Lighter, a clever tool that harnesses solar power to start fires with ease. It's an essential addition to any survival kit or camping gear, eliminating the hassle of wet matches or empty lighters. The Suncase Gear Solar Lighter is dependable in any weather, making it perfect for wilderness adventures, power outages, or just enjoying the outdoors. Don't let unreliable fire-starting methods dampen your outdoor fun. The Suncase Gear Solar Lighter is your quick and easy solution, and it's environmentally friendly too. Just leave it in the sun for a few hours, and it's ready to use whenever you need it. Why stick with traditional lighters or matches when you can use the power of the sun? Upgrade your outdoor adventures with the Suncase Gear Solar Lighter today. Tired of heavy gear leaving you sore and exhausted on your trips? Check out this cart that lets you roll your gear instead of carrying it. Ideal for any terrain, from the Alps to the desert, this cart can make your load feel up to 80% lighter, allowing you to carry up to 40 kilograms with ease. Equipped with a brake for control on steep slopes and adjustable handles for a perfect fit, this cart is built to last. Made from durable aluminum alloy, like that used in motorcycles, and assembled in Germany, it's designed for rugged use. Priced at $400, it's a great investment for a smoother, more effortless travel experience. Introducing the Key Camping Guard, the essential tool for outdoor safety. Ideal for tent cooking, this carbon monoxide detector goes beyond basic functions. It features Bluetooth connectivity and monitors temperature and humidity as well. If any readings become unsafe, the 105 decibel alarm, equivalent to a loud orchestra or thunder, alerts you immediately. With a battery life of up to 100 hours and weighing only 82 grams, it's both lightweight and convenient to carry on hikes. Whether it's for a fisherman's pocket or a motorhome shelf, this versatile device fits easily into any setting. Priced at just $67, it's a smart investment for ensuring safety on your outdoor adventures. Introducing the Isabella Camplet Passion, the ultimate camping tent that transforms outdoor living with exceptional kitchen features. It's so customizable that the seller offers an online configurator, similar to those for apartment design. With a spacious 18 square meters, this tent comfortably accommodates up to 6 people. It includes separate bedrooms, a generous living area, and a pleasant indoor microclimate. What sets it apart is its customization options. You can personalize it with lighting, carpeting, bike racks, and more, making it your perfect home away from home. Priced at around $9,000, the Isabella Camplet Passion is a top investment for any camper looking to enhance their outdoor adventures with unmatched comfort and convenience. Check out Chinny Inflatables and their incredible range of inflatable tents. These aren't your ordinary tents. They come in imaginative designs that are sure to capture your interest. Take, for example, the inflatable ball home. It provides a breathtaking panoramic view, ideal for taking in beautiful landscapes. If you prefer more privacy, you can easily adjust parts to become opaque. Or consider the inflatable igloo, which offers a striking look and ample space for a cozy living area. Chinny Inflatables also includes models that resemble classic houses or small hangars with windows. All Chinny Inflatables have 2 standout features. They set up quickly with just a simple inflation and save you time and effort. Whether for a mobile home or just a unique outdoor experience, these innovative tents make enjoying the great outdoors both fun and convenient. Introducing the Zero Breeze Mark II AC, the ultimate cooling solution for large tents. This high-performance air conditioner can cool down from 32 degrees Celsius to 15 degrees Celsius in just 10 minutes, ensuring you stay comfortable even on the hottest days. It runs for up to 8 hours on a single charge and can be recharged through various methods, including solar panels or your car's cigarette lighter. Ideal for tents, campers, and motorhomes. It's versatile and reliable. The Zero Breeze Mark View AC features a convenient handle for easy portability and comes with a remote control for simple operation. Despite its powerful cooling, it runs at a quiet 52 decibels, similar to a gentle rain or a soft conversation. Introducing the Berghaus Air Mobile Hotel 6XL. Your luxury hotel experience in the great outdoors. Setting up is as simple as checking into a hotel room. Just inflate the special beams, secure it with pegs, and you're done. This tent offers the perfect blend of durability and elegance. Inside, you'll enjoy a spacious living area with separate sections ideal for large groups. With its smart ventilation system, strategic windows and doors, and plenty of storage, every detail ensures your comfort. Built to withstand any weather, this tent is ready for all your adventures. Priced at $570, it's a lasting investment. Once you have it, it's yours for life. And you can even rent it out to other travelers to offset the cost. It's a smart choice for anyone seeking comfort and versatility in the outdoors. Introducing the Jaeger Pump 4.0, the ultimate solution for all your inflating needs. Whether you need to inflate a tent, pillow, air mattress, or other gear, this gadget has you covered. Forget about manual pumping. The Jaeger Pump 4.0 delivers powerful inflation with up to 4.2 kilopascals of pressure. With a single charge, you can inflate up to 7 mattresses or 10 pillows, making it essential for any outdoor adventure. It includes 5 adapters to suit all your inflation needs. Plus, the Jaeger Pump 4.0 doubles as a flashlight and can even help you start a fire, adding extra convenience to your camping experience. Weighing just 105 grams, this compact tool is lightweight and easy to carry. Simply hang it on your backpack and you're all set. At only $39, it's an affordable must-have for any camping enthusiast. Meet the Guard Dog, your ultimate road trip companion. Picture this: a dog-shaped box on top of your car that transforms into a cozy mobile home. Sounds intriguing, right? Introducing the Unistrength Roof Tent, cleverly designed to resemble a dog. Setting it up is simple. Just unfold it with a ladder and use the pump to inflate. It's the perfect quick solution for living on the go. Inside, you'll find nearly the entire wall and ceiling can be turned into windows. And don't worry about bugs. The tent has safety netting to keep mosquitoes and insects out. With enough space for 1 or 2 people, you'll have a comfortable, weatherproof retreat. For extra comfort, you can add a heater or air conditioner. Just be cautious with very strong winds, as the tent may not hold up against them. Whether you're embarking on a road trip or heading out for a camping adventure, the Guard Dog ensures a comfortable and convenient stay wherever you travel. Introducing the Peugeot Cabin, a revolutionary tent from Germany designed specifically for SUP boards. This cutting-edge tent fits almost any board between 3.5 and 4.3 meters long. The best part? It has inflatable components that make setup incredibly easy, taking just 2 minutes. Once inflated, you can leave the tent floating on the water, pull it ashore, or even place it on your car roof. If you don't have a board, the tent works perfectly well on its own. Weighing only 5 kilograms, it's easy to handle. However, it comes with a $670 price tag, which is higher than many boards. Whether you're on water or land, the Peugeot Cabin provides a unique and versatile camping experience.